Mr. Vice Chair, if I may, my problem with these third-party applications coming in at the 13th hour, I guess you could say, is sometimes I see this as more a procedural intervention to try to block from a particular project moving forward. Like, this is a municipal approved corridor for the bus rapid transit from Roby Street. We knew these properties are going to be involved in regards to the acquisition of land and widening the road for bus lanes and stuff like that. So I'm finding this will put our Heritage Advisory Committee in conflict with the municipal planning for that corridor. So I find that these third party applications, in my opinion, are should be tossed out in regards. It's nothing but trying to circumvent the process to try and delay a municipal project that's in progress.
Mhm. Yeah,